What is going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the APR carbon fiber splitter. Not the splitter, the canards. Wow, I'm shocked. Alright, anyway, so basically what comes in this is the two canards, the bolts that you will have to drill into your bumper for. Some, a sticker, APR sticker. I might put it on, I don't know, we'll see. And then you get the instructions. Instructions are fairly simple. You also get a return policy thing and a catalog, which is pretty freaking cool if you ask me. It also gives you a lot of their other products that they have. The APR mirrors, I wouldn't mind getting that. Those are pretty sick. See, yeah, right there. Pretty sick. And then the brake ducts, and that's for like an Evo. Actually, I could be wrong. I don't know. It kind of looks like it's for an Evo, but whatever. Yeah, that's definitely. Oh, look, it's a Corvette, not even an Evo. Then if you look on the back side, it tells you how everything fits. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get going with the instructions. And right here we have the two canards. I mean, the quality is fucking awesome. I mean, what can you expect? Let's see if I could make it a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, the quality is awesome. I mean, it's APR. Can't really go wrong with that. If you love carbon fiber and carbon fiber makes you dick hard or pussy wet, whatever hell you prefer, this is the one. This is, you know, the must. It's a must. Anything carbon fiber made by APR, it's a must. This is the passenger side. Here is the driver's side. You can really see the weave, really nice. Yeah, so basically supposed to drill these into the bumper right here. I'm not really feeling to do that, so I'm just going to rig it up with some 3M tape, some automotive grade. Hopefully it sticks. If it doesn't, that's too bad. I'm thinking of putting this here, but I feel like it doesn't fit, so I'm trying to see maybe something like that, maybe like that. I mean, it could fit like that. If you bend it over a little bit, yeah, that's not bad. We'll figure it out after we get on. So let's just get started with this. The first thing I'm gonna do is clean the bumper. We use some, you know, pumpkin spice because I'm a basic white dude, so figure why not? Fuck it, right? So just spray it around there. Open it up real quick. I already need a car wash. I can punch it out right now. First things first, you have to measure, and I'm not really good at math, but I think it's from like tip here, you have to measure 9.5. Alright, so let's see, 9.5 inches, which is I think here. Oh, yeah, I forgot, you also need some masking tape, so we'll get that, and we'll be right back. So we got the masking tape on. Alright, like I was saying, I am terrible at math, so let's just try to see how the fuck we can do this. Now, you have to use something as a ruler, so don't have that happen to you. But you could also lock it, so if that doesn't happen to you, it should be good there. That should be 9.5. So now, after you do that, according to the instructions, you're going to want to line up. I believe it's supposed to be a little bit above it or below. I'll tell you right now. So the one that goes here. Had it before and I can't get it. It's supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be like that, so there's no gaps anywhere. Like that. But if you actually look at it, it doesn't measure up correctly. And I don't know if that's like a flaw in the instructions. that. So I guess we're just gonna go like that and wing it. See if it stays on. Now what you want to do is you want to get some tape to hold it up. But since I am just going to 3M tape it, I am going to remove the tape and just line it up like this, and hopefully it stays. If not, then I fucked it up and I could just do it again. But if you were to drill it, which you're supposed to do, you could actually just make the circles right here, right underneath, just three little slots. Just make the circle like that, and then go through. Just make sure you measure twice. You don't want to fuck up on this. You mess up on this and you basically screwed. There goes the whole entire bumper, and now you need to get a whole new one, or you just go look retarded. But yeah, so now after you put the 3M tape, this is basically what it's going to look like. I might put another layer because I don't really trust this, but you know, I got this from Perrin. It was from the Wing Stiffies, and I also used it on my Vortex generator, and I feel like if the Vortex generator can hold it, and so can this thing. So I mean, fucking, if it doesn't, then oh well, I lose a canard, I'll have to buy another one. There goes another, I don't know how much one would be, but probably like $200 or $150. So you'll learn from my mistakes. So oh yeah, just make sure you heat up the 3M tape. This way it gets a good bonding and it sticks to both the canard and the bumper. Yeah, see, I already have an outline for it. Okay, so then after you warm it up, you're just going to want to line it up again. Now it's going to be a little bit harder because this thing is all heated up. So once you stick it, that's it. Then you're going to want to apply some pressure to it. I think I got it pretty good, actually. And you just want to hold it there for a couple of seconds. I know a lot of people are gonna say this is absolutely idiotic, which is true, and it probably won't stick. But if you do it correctly, you don't get any gaps, you should be good. I guess that will just leave it for now. Looks pretty sturdy. I mean, definitely need to press in a little bit more over here in the front end. Do I feel safe doing this? No, I definitely feel like it's going to fall off. But look at the carbon fiber though. Carbon fiber's hot. God, I love carbon fiber. If I could, honestly, I'd probably make my dick carbon fiber. I'm not gonna lie to you. Carbon fiber, everything. Alright, cool. Now I'm also going to show you the other side as a beginner because I messed up in the first footage. So if I show you how to do it correctly from the other side, hopefully it will help some of you. This is fairly simple. First of all, you want to clean the bumper. After you clean it, you want to line it up. Make sure there's no gaps or anything like that. You're supposed to put masking tape, like 4 or 5 layers of it, then measure 9.5 inches from the top of your bumper, from right here all the way down. So I think it was like down to here, 9.5 inches. I'm not really sure, but whatever. You know what? Do it like this. Alright, and then after you measure 9.5 inches, you're supposed to line this up. Measure it twice. You know, make sure the line matches up. If it does, good. If it doesn't, you gotta have to recheck, bro. That's it, simple as that. But I've read a lot of reviews and mine personally didn't match, so I just decided to ditch the freaking instructions. Instructions were very unclear. Basically, I drilled a hole in my leg, so no. Anyway, so now I'm just going to 3M tape. I'm just gonna wing it. If it sticks, it sticks. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So I'm just gonna put a bunch of 3M tape all the way there from the front to the beginning. Press it up against the bumper. Heat it up. If it sticks, good. If not, I am losing a canard on the highway, and somebody lucky is going home with a free carbon fiber canard. Make sure it's you. Oh, look at that imperfection. Oh no, I lied. Oh, yep. Let me see if I could zoom in on it. Let me just see. Yeah, you're not really gonna be able to see it, but there's like, there it is, a little bit of an imperfection. I don't really care. I'm not really a freaking Hondas. I'm not really a perfectionist, so I really don't care. So whatever. Basically, this is how I have mine set up on the passenger side. It's a lot better than the driver's side, because the driver's side I didn't put as much. This one I put a lot more 3M tape. I'm gonna heat it up and stick it on. Hopefully this edge right here stays on. I'm not gonna lie, probably should have measured it beforehand, so now I'm pretty much screwed. And on top of that, I burnt myself, so lost a couple hairs, RIP. Now, let's just see how we can line this up. Is there any gap? That looks to be pretty spot on, but is it spot on with the other one? That's the thing. So let's take a look. I think that's it, so I'm just going to press it in and hope for the best. Actually, I think the fitment on this one is better than on the other side. Definitely looks better. Yeah, feels better too. Just press it in there, make sure it's all sticky. That's what she said. And then after that, you should be done. I mean, you know, it's pretty much screwed. I'll try to give you like a close-up of how it looks and what not to do. So there's like a gap right there. Let's see if we get a better look. Gap right there. Then there should be another one like right here at the edge. And yeah, it pretty much sucks, but I'll probably drill it anyway. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I decide to do, I'll make another video. But for now, it's pretty much how you install some CF Canards. So if you like it, cool. If you don't, tell me why not. Tell me I'm an idiot. But either way, like, subscribe, and comment, yo.